Igda-igda na lang nato.
Hi! What's up? What's up? I think like this. Welcome to my channel again. Marla K is here. Buenos dias, buenas tardes, buenas noches. So, and yes, so again, we're here in the beautiful, what's it? Eden Beach. Yeah, beautiful Eden Beach. Yeah, so it's so close to our place. Mga about how many? 1 kilometer? 2. About like that.
From home?
Yeah. 3.
No, I think it's maybe 1.5 kilometers.
Oh, that was so close. 1.5. Ano. Remember, this is the place where when I did my massage. So over there, but the chair, the bed, what's this sun bed is too far. So it's like a private. Oh, we just no one here. So yes. Oh, okay. We going for a swim now. You want to come with I? Ah, you want to come? Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's swim. Let's swim. Okay. You swim. You stay here. You cannot come with me next time if I'm gonna take my I forgot. I need to turn off pala.
Hi guys, so we have decided to send the Filipina back to the Philippines. You can see then the boat is a first class boat. It's like a big ferry, it's like a cruise. They are going to go back on a cruise back to the Philippines. Hi girls, are you ready to go back to the Philippines? Yeah? Yes, you are going back to the Philippines. So we are now ready for the launch. We had a couple of flags there, just in case they get lost. They probably then they have only one thing, you know. So they gotta go around and around and around and around and around. Look, we have Morena here training hard. Come on, training hard for the trip. That's it. That's it. Yes, darling. Yes. And so, girls, it's time to say goodbye now.
No.
It's time to say goodbye.
No, we
Back,
we
back
love
to the
here.
Philippines.
We love here.
Yes, back to the Philippines. Bye bye. You wanna go back? You wanna stay here? Or you wanna go back?
Stay.
Okay. Okay. Well, we change our mind. Maybe the boat is a little bit too inappropriate. But thanks for watching. Moen again, family. We're having heaps of fun. Come and visit us in Vietnam. We will give you good advice. Venez nous visiter en Vietnam, ça va être super. Et à bientôt. Bye bye.
Bye. It's a video. Bye.
Bye bye.
I'm going to Bangkok.
What you gonna do in Bangkok? AFC update.
Sometimes I just like to lay down here in the sun.
Mermaid just having a little
Okay. Nice. Ikot.